This is Chris Wooten with Wooten Injury Law in Huntsville, Alabama. We're answering questions that folks ask us a lot about what their rights are when it comes to various legal matters. Today, we're going to talk about what are your rights if you've been hurt in a fall. A lot of times somebody slips and falls on something that's been spilled on the floor at a business, or there's something at a restaurant that hasn't been picked up like it should have been, and somebody trips and they fall down and they get hurt. And then they wonder, well, what are my rights when dealing with a situation like this? If you've been hurt at a business, specifically in a fall, you have a right to compensation for your medical expenses. That's all reasonable and necessary medical expenses that are incurred as a result of the injury you got from that fall. If you're injured to the point that you can't work or have to stay home for a while, you have a right to any lost wages or lost income that you miss, while you're missing work. You also have a right to recover for pain and suffering, which is how much it hurts and how much it's going to hurt while you recover. And then also for what the law calls mental anguish or mental or emotional pain and suffering. That's basically the disruption in your life and the emotional consequences that can come with a serious injury. In some situations, if the fall was caused by the reckless behavior of somebody, for instance, if somebody at the store was like, hey, y'all, watch this, trying to pull a joke on somebody or something like that, which I hate to say we've seen happen, there could also be a chance for punitive damages, which is extra money damages that the business, their employees, or their insurance company are forced to pay in order to make an example out of them and basically teach them a lesson in the community. So if you've been injured in a fall, or if someone you care about has been injured in a fall at a business, and you've got questions about what your rights are, talk to an attorney.